Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a simple process to help ensure your NPU hair system sticks properly to tape. Before we jump into the solution, let's quickly go over some common reasons why the NPU coating toupee might not stick to the tape. One reason could be conditioner residue left on the NPU. Sometimes a protective layer of conditioner is left over from the manufacturing process, and this can prevent the tape from sticking properly. If you don't remove this residue, the tape won't adhere as expected. Another reason could be the temperature. If you're working in a cooler environment, the adhesive on the tape can lose its effectiveness. To fix this, you can warm up the tape and the NPU system by placing them in a warmer area or gently using a blow dryer to heat the tape before applying it. Finally, the NPU surface might be too smooth, which can make it harder for the tape to bond. A surface that's too smooth won't provide the friction needed for the adhesive to stick. In this case, you can slightly roughen up the surface to improve adhesion. Now that we know the common causes, let's walk through the steps to fix this problem. Here's what you'll need: fine sandpaper or a sanding block, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure everything is clean to avoid any scratches or contamination during the process. Start by cleaning the NPU surface. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust, hair, or oils. This is essential because you want a clean surface for the sanding and tape application. Next, take your fine sandpaper or sanding block and gently sand the NPU surface. Focus on the areas where the tape will be applied. The goal is to lightly roughen up the surface to create more texture for the adhesive to grip onto. You don't need to overdo it, just enough to create a slight texture. Be careful not to press too hard. You only need a very light texture to improve adhesion. After sanding, wipe away any dust or particles left on the surface. This ensures the surface is clean before you apply the tape. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your NPU coating hair system should now be ready for the adhesive to stick properly. One final tip: always use fresh, high-quality tape. Old or low-quality tape may cause adhesion issues, even if you've done everything else right. So make sure to choose the best tape for the job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on hair system maintenance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.